I am hoping that the competence education will allow students to learn at their own pace, so that fast learners can accelerate while those who need more time can receive the support they require. And luckily for us, because of technology, it's not a must that we make students go in cohorts. I know that's the way we have structured our systems. And I know when you come to the Commission for University Education, we ask you to show us the progression. How will the student progress from first year to second year to third year, fourth year until they graduate? We are going to ask those questions. But at the same time, can we make a provision for students who might use lesser time? I know that in many universities these days, especially with an American system, they can allow you to take the number of credit hours that you want to take, so that you don't have to take 15 or 18 like everybody else. And therefore, you don't have to take 3 years. You can either graduate in 2.5 years or in 3 years, whatever, as long as you meet the credit hours. So that kind of a system, in my view, allows those students to move as how they are inclined. The emphasis in the CBC on the practical real-world competencies, ensuring graduates are job-ready, so that we are not too concerned about how long someone takes to acquire skills, but they can acquire them faster. I have tried to teach that myself, that thing that my son is doing there. I have gone to YouTube and things. I have not solved it even once. And I don't know how many here can solve it and how fast you can do it. But I have tried, I haven't managed. When I solve on one side. So I kind of hold it like this so that I cheat him that I have done it. And he always laughs at me, tells me, if you take your time, you'll do it. But we can leverage on technology to track the progress of our students, providing that students and faculty with data-driven insight into learning outcomes. I'm going to be suggesting that this thinking must not only focus only on students, but it must also focus on us as faculty. Because we as faculty are going to be called upon to do something so that the students can learn in a particular way. So if I don't have the skills and the knowledge, and this is one of the reasons why I appreciate what you are doing this morning. Indeed, I have made the argument that probably for CBC to be effective in this country, especially at the university level, it is not so much what we shall do with our curriculum. It is much more with what we do with our here, the transformation in our minds, the transformation in the minds of the teachers, of the students, and the expectation. This is what is going to be truly transformative.